Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. So this lecture is regarding grade 11. So I will speak Urdu and Hindi and English, all the language, so that all students will understand. So the question that I selected to show you this is a very important question. So basically, these are the basic three questions are of this that type. So one question must become in exam for just for a long part. Okay. So the student feel difficulty about that question. So I will try my best to. We will see the very easy method. So how to solve in a very easy way. So after looking this lecture, you will not be, it's become easy for you people. So let's start the solution. So it's a proof. So basically, the rule of proof is that in the exam, so according to the rules of exam, the checking rule, the proof will be considered wrong until it doesn't prove. Okay, so yeah, but the benefit of these question, you become to know your answer become true. So let's start. It's given. So let me take left hand side first of all. Okay, so let me take left hand side and I will write here down that is cos 80 degree, cos 60 degree, and then cos 40. After that I will write cos 20. So one thing I want to tell you, 60 is an allied angle. We know the value of cos 60. Okay, so we'll put the value of cos 60. Calculator is allowed for your exam, no problem. You can ask, you can just see from calculator. So cos 60, so we will put the value of cos 60 here. Okay, so it is 1 by 2 here, and then move toward the other values cos 40 and then cos 20. So it's done over here. So now we will just arrange. So I will change the color, uh, arrange into how I will arrange. So I will tell you the universal method. If you will arrange like this, so all the question for this method you will use, then no confusion will be there for you people. So let me write 1 over 2 at first. Okay, then I will write cos 80. Okay, then cos 40, the smaller one, and then at the end cos 20. Okay, so I write like this. But no, you know that all these are in that form of product. The operation is multiplied in between them. So for in the product formula, you should know 2 must be at the start. So for cos only we need 2. For if they both are sine, then we will need minus 2 over there. So let me write here 2 multiply 2, and then I will put 2 inside like that. I will just make a bracket over there. So 2 cos 80 cos 40. Okay, so I will just close the bracket and at the end I will write. So first of all, what you have to do, just combine the bigger one. So put the bigger one at first and then take the smaller on the next. Okay, so in all question we will do like this. These are the three questions like that. So basic three, these are long question. You can consider this. Okay, 2 cos 80 cos 40. You know that in the product formula both are cos. If both are cos, then all will be cos. Okay. So if there is left side both are cos, the right side will be cos. Okay. So we will write here cos 80 plus 40. Okay, if sometime I forget to write degree, so please consider this, and then both are cos, then it must be positive, then cos again. Okay, so 80 minus 40, 80 minus 40 degree like that. Okay, now close the bracket and then write cos 20 again at the end. We just applied the formula or here. Okay, So just simplify for one more step over here. So now please put the bracket here, because there is positive sign. If you will not put the bracket, it considered wrong, that this step will be wrong. If this step will be wrong, and after that it may be the, so now right, so it must be after doing plus 120, and then that will be 40. Okay, then after cos 20, so it will be like that. Okay, now we know that the cos 20, cos 120. So let me write here cos 120. You can consider the double of a right angle. We know the value of 120. Okay, so we'll put here in the second quadrant 120 is there. So it will be negative 1 by 2. Okay, if you don't want to write the bracket, you cannot write, no problem. So if you don't want to write, no problem, you will not write. So but I write the bracket so that the student must become go through that. In that where there are some steps where we need the bracket. If you will not put the bracket, so the question become wrong for because of negative sign. Okay, so I will solve the remaining part on the right side. Okay, so until here we just applied only one formula. Okay, now 1 by 4 and cos 20 both are multiplying in, okay, 1 by 1. So how? Let's start. So it will be, when we see this, negative 1 by 8, yes, cos 20, like this. Okay, when we will multiply the next one, so it will be positive 1 by 4 cos 20, sorry, cos 40 first of all, and then cos 20. So it will be like this. So hope all the students who are just listening or looking, they understand that how it came. Okay, so now again there must be 2. Okay, so there must be 2 here. So no need to take anything common, just remain as it is all the thing. Okay, so don't make the question more complex, more difficult, just remain it is in a simple form. Okay, let it remain. So 1 by 4. Okay, so there must be, I will write 2 here because I want to make for the completion of formula, so 2 must be here. So again the bigger you will write the first and the smaller you will write later. Or if you will not write like that, no problem, the question will be true. But for in to avoid all kinds of problems, so must follow this, then then the question become very easy for you people. Okay, so 1 over 8 cos 20, and then after 1 by 8. Okay, now we are going to applying. Look, the same formula will come again. So it's very easy question. So two times we will apply the formula, and then the question will be solved. Okay, now it will be cos 40 plus 20. Yes, and then after it will be a positive sign inside. Okay, then cos, what it will be. So I will write here down 40 minus 60. Okay, so it will be like that. So hope all the student understand this. Now we will just simplify over here. 1 by 8 cos 20, okay, plus 1 by 8 here. Okay, then it will be cos 60, and then plus this will be for 20. So by mistake I wrote here, so it will be 20. Okay, okay, 40 plus 20 and 40 minus 20, and then plus cos 20, and then it's finished now. So now again 60, cos 60 is allied angle, and then what we have to do, we have to put the value of that allied angle. So it will be 1 by 8 cos 20 degree plus, okay, 1 by 8. Now cos 20, 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, and then cos 20 remain as it is. Okay, now just we will multiply 1 over 8 1 by 1. So what it will be, so 1 over 8 cos 20. So this is negative 1 by 8, it's coming from up. Okay, now 1 over 8, 8 two times it will be 16. Okay, so it will be 16. So let me put here 16. Now then again it will be 1 over 8 cos 20. Okay, so when you see this, two are of opposite sign, this will be cancel out from this. So what is remaining over there? So only the remaining thing is 1 over 16. Okay, so I will just put the last step here. So 1 over 16 is remaining. So this is equal to right hand side. Okay, only we applied the two formulas, but in a systematic way. I will tell you, I told that how you will write all the things in order. So in the next question I will make the next video. In the next next question, in the next video you will see that I will follow this rule same again. Okay, so let's see in the next video. Hope you understand well.